Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge A levels pure maths paper 1 from Feb-March 2023. So the first question that I have here, a line has an equation of y equals to 3x minus 2 and a curve has equation this one where k is the constant. Show that the line and the curve meet for all values of x. When it is like all values of x, then that means roots must be real. So roots must be real. So that's the clue for us from here. So now we are going to equate all these two equations. So from here we have y equals to x squared. So y is x squared minus kx. This is equation of the curve and this is equation of the line, 3x minus 2k. So now when you equate these two, so because left hand side is equal, so we can equate right hand sides also. So kx plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 2k, right? So then you are going to rearrange to make it a quadratic. So minus kx, and from other side we have negative 3x plus 2, then plus it will be 2k equals to 0. Now we can rewrite x squared, this is plus minus k minus 3 and x is common and we have 2 plus 2k which is a constant term, right? So for curve and line to meet, so we should have, we can write for curve and line to meet, we should have discriminant greater than 0, right? Greater than or equal to 0. So for the curve and line to meet for at all points. So that means the roots must be real, and roots will be real only if discriminant is greater than 0. So from here what do we have? We have here a is equal to 1 from this equation and b is negative k and negative 3 and c is 2 plus 2k. We are going to substitute this over here. So b square means negative k minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times c is 2 plus 2k. This should be greater than or equals to 0. So now as this is square here, so this can also be written as k plus 3 because it is going to make it positive. So 2 into 2 plus 2k greater than or equals to 0. So this expand the brackets, x squared a plus b whole square formula. You know that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That's what we are going to use over here. So k square plus it is going to be 2ab, that is 6k plus 9 minus 4 times 2 8 minus 4 times 2 8k greater than or equals to 0. So this is k squared minus 2k, right? This 6k and 8k minus 2k plus 1 equals to greater than or equals to 0. So then factorize this. This is k minus 1 whole square is greater than or equals to 0. So that means this is a square and square is always positive. So that means k is greater than or equals to 0. So from here we have k is greater than or equals to 0. So this is the value where it will meet for all values, where it is true for all values of k, right? So that's question number 1. Now we have question number 2 here. A function is defined by fx equals to this and a sequence of transformations, meaning there are many transformations, is applied on the following function y equals to fx to give y equals to gx. So we are mapping like it's going from fx to gx, right? So what are the we have given all these the transformations here. The first one is stretch. It's a stretch parallel to x axis with scale factor of 2. So that means fx is going to become f2x, because this is a stretch, so x coordinate is going to be doubled, and then the reflection then fx is going to be reflected, that x coordinate will become negative x, and here again we have stretch. This is the first one, 2 and 3. There are 3 transformations stretch parallel to this, so that means fx going to become 3 of fx. It's a stretch with the scale factor of 3 along a y axis, right. So these are the transformations that we are going to apply on fx. So the first one we have, I will go step by step. Stretch scale factor is half, so x will be doubled, so x will be doubled, right. So that means y was this is y here, so our y is x will become now 2x, so that is 2x squared minus 2 into 2x plus 5, right. So this is done. So after this there is a reflection, then the second one is reflection. So for reflection in y axis, when it's reflection in y axis, then x is going to become negative x. So we are just writing here this equation again, y equals to, now we will change the sign inside the bracket. Okay, so this can be written as 4x squared plus 4x plus 5. So this is our y now, right. So this is like here, this is let me explain this way. So this is our x axis, okay. So if the line is here, so this is going to be reflected on other side like this, okay. So now after this we have a stretch. So the third one is, again we have stretch here parallel to y axis. The third one is a stretch parallel to y axis and with the scale factor of 3, right. So then this is going to be tripled with the 3. So 3, it will be multiplied to this whole equation here. So that is 4x squared plus 4x plus 5, right. Now let's just simplify. So then y is equal to 12x squared plus 12x plus 15, right. So therefore our gx that we are looking after all these transformations is 12x squared plus 12x plus 15. So this is our final answer, right. So I hope you guys understood. I will wait for your feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe with your friends. Be blessed, guys.